This is a final video to fix touchpad not clicking on Surface Laptop 4. And if you've been struggling with it, you're not alone. Are you tired of your clicks not registering, or your touchpad acting up at the worst times? This usually happens because of outdated drivers, Windows updates messing with settings, or simple software glitches that block the touchpad from working properly. Most solutions you'll find on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of steps that don't even work, leaving you frustrated. But on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that takes less than a minute. Just reset your touchpad driver and check your touchpad settings to make sure everything is enabled, and your clicks will start working again instantly. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to click and where, drop a comment below and I'll make it for you.